You won't believe the incredible rise of the British pound. Get ready to dive into a roller coaster of currency action as the pound conquers the G10 currencies like a boss. In the past 3 months, the pound has been flexing its muscles, leaving all other major currencies in the dust. Sterling soared an amazing 3% against the dollar in the second quarter of 2023. While the Bank of Japan remains the only major central bank still stuck with negative interest rates, the Bank of England has been hiking rates for the 13th consecutive time. Analysts at Goldman Sachs predict the pound will hit $1.31 next year and $1.35 by 2025. But not everyone is singing the same tune. Some economists are waving the caution flag, predicting a potential UK recession. Buckle up, because this sterling surge is defying expectations left, right, and center. The pound's unstoppable ascent continues, and it's time to seize the opportunity and ride the wave of success. And don't forget to smash that like button and hit follow for more exciting financial updates. Wikifx, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.